Okay, on 10.3, number 49, we want to find the area inside the dippled limacon. R equals 3 minus 2 cosine theta. So again, if we look at the structure of this, we know we have x-axis symmetry, and A is 3, B is 2, so A over B is 3 over 2, and if A over B is between 1 and 2, it's dimpled. Okay. Dimpled. So I kind of sketched it out over here what it looked like by trying to get some points over here. So you can kind of get an idea what it looks like. Okay, so we're going to take the area of this, and so our area is, and we don't, it is symmetrical. We could use symmetry, but it's just as easy to do the 2 pi thing. So from alpha to beta, 1/2 r squared, so I take the 1/2 out in front, and this is going to be 3 minus 2, this is r squared. So I just put in the formula. Once, you know, that's all you really have to do. Make sure you're aware of the formula. It's good to look at it so you kind of have an idea of what's happening. So we're going to just sweep around here all the way around. 0 to 2 pi. Now if I square that, I get 9 minus, and then 3 times 2 is 6 twice, that's 12 cosine theta. And then 4 cosine squared of theta. And we're going to do the same thing using the reduction formula. So we've got 1/2, and then we've got 9 minus cosine, and then theta. Then I take the 4 out in front, and then I've got 1 plus the cosine 2 theta times 2. Now this works out nice, all right, because I still have everything's the same in this next step, except when I multiply, 2 goes into 4 twice, so I got 2 times 1 is 2, and then I got 2 times the cosine 2 theta. I'm going to put that 2 in the back, so I can use that for my U substitution, my chain rule part. Okay? And then all I do is combine my 9 and 2, got 11, just to make it a little bit easier. So I got 1/2, the integral from 0 to 2 pi of 11 minus 12 cosine of theta minus the cosine of 2 theta times 2 d theta, and I take my antiderivative, and I evaluate it from 0 to 2 pi. And again, that's going to be nice because the antiderivative of 11 with respect to theta is 11 theta. And then minus, and the antiderivative of the cosine is the sine, so that's easy. And I've got this all set up. This is like cosine of u du, which is sine of u. So I got my 1/2, and then if I put 2 pi in here, 11 times 2 pi is 22. If I put 2 pi in here, that's 0. The sine of 2 pi is 0, so I got 12 times 0. And the sine of 4 pi is also 0. And if I put 0 in here, I get 0, 0, 0. So a lot of zeros. And just a little 22 pi left. 1/2 of 22 pi is 11 pi, and you're done. That wasn't too bad. Hope that helps.